Have you ever wondered why your pet behaves the way it does, or why wild animals act in such fascinating ways? Welcome to the intricate and fascinating world of animal behavior. This realm of study isn't just about observing how a squirrel stores its nuts, or how a bird builds its nest. It's about diving deep into the complexity of how animals interact with their environment, how their genetic makeup influences their actions, and how their experiences shape their behavior. Consider the broad categories of animal behavior: foraging, mating, and social behavior. Each of these categories is a complex web of interactions and decisions, driven by a variety of factors. Foraging behavior, for instance, is all about the quest for survival. Mating behavior, on the other hand, is a dance of life, a game of attraction and selection. And social behavior, it's about the power of numbers, the strength of community and cooperation. Understanding these behaviors can help us better comprehend the world around us and our place in it. Let's delve into these categories one by one, starting with foraging. One of the most fundamental behaviors in the animal kingdom is foraging, the quest for food. This essential survival tactic varies wildly across species and habitats. Take, for instance, the solitary hunter, the spider. It patiently weaves intricate webs to ensnare its prey, a process that requires precision, patience, and cunning. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the cooperative hunters, such as wolves. They work together in packs, employing complex strategies and communication to bring down prey much larger than any individual wolf could handle. These foraging strategies are not just about filling bellies. They significantly influence an animal's physical characteristics, such as the sharp beak of a bird of prey or the powerful jaws of a lion. Moreover, these behaviors affect an animal's lifestyle, determining its sleep patterns, social interactions, and even mating habits. So, foraging is not just about finding food, it's a complex behavior that shapes the lives of animals. Another intriguing aspect of animal behavior is mating, the dance of life. This dance takes many forms across the animal kingdom. Take, for example, the birds of paradise. Their courtship is an elaborate show of color, sound, and movement, as males compete for the attention of the discerning females. These displays are not just for show, but also a test of strength, stamina, and genetic fitness. Now, shift your focus to the coast where the elephant seals dwell. Here, the dance of life is less about finesse and more about brute force. Massive males, known as beachmasters, fiercely compete for control over harems of females. This intense competition ensures that only the strongest genes are passed on to the next generation. These varying strategies of mating behavior are not just fascinating to observe, but they also have profound implications on population dynamics and species survival. Mating behavior, therefore, is a vital part of the survival of a species. Finally, let's delve into social behavior, the power of numbers. This power is evident in many animal species, each with their unique social structures. Take ants, for example, with their eusociality, a term that refers to the highest level of organization of sociality. In these colonies, millions of ants work together, each performing specific tasks for the survival of the entire colony. On the other end of the spectrum, we find dolphins with their complex social structures. These marine creatures form intricate social networks, complete with alliances and friendships to navigate the vast oceans. Whether it's the collective industriousness of an ant colony, or the dynamic social interactions of a dolphin pod, these behaviors enhance survival and reproductive success. They allow species to defend against predators, increase their food gathering efficiency, and foster the well-being of their young. In essence, the world of animal behavior is a fascinating spectacle that offers us a glimpse into the complexity of life.